Off-road vehicles, they're part of life in Manitoba, but we all share the responsibility of making sure that young riders are protected so that they can enjoy those experiences safely.
For Manitobans young and old, jumping on an off-road vehicle and hitting the trails is one of the best ways to enjoy the summer months. But according to a new report, for far too many riders, their journey is ending in an emergency room. Less than 24 hours after a collision between a semi-truck and an off-road vehicle sent a pair of young adults to hospital, we are learning that these kinds of accidents are becoming far more frequent. According to a study by Manitoba Public Insurance, since 2011, over 600 children visited the Children's Hospital ER at Winnipeg's Health Science Center. And with many of these accidents taking place off public roads in rural communities, researchers believe that the data underrepresents the true scale of the issue.
I think every day, probably this spring and going into summer, one of us, because we work together as a team, is seeing an ATV injury.
Dr. Lynn Warda, a leading pediatric emergency physician at HSC's Children's Hospital, says over the past 4 years, they have seen nearly 100 pediatric injuries sustained on an ORV annually, with a lack of parental supervision and helmet use playing a significant role.
In terms of helmet use, it's pretty infrequent, 34% in our database.
Of those annual cases, Dr. Warda says 32% of injuries result in hospitalization, with the severity varying from a traumatic experience to something far more serious.
The sickest kids go to the operating room emergently for neurosurgery, have blood clots evacuated from their brains. It's really a huge deal.
And I tell the children always, you're not invincible, you're just lucky until you're not.
Terrace Barron of Safety Services Manitoba says while parental supervision is required under Manitoba law for riders between the ages of 14 and 16, he believes a required training program would go a long way in ensuring riders are properly prepared prior to hitting the trails.
Restrictions, regulations within them in terms of size, age limitations, passengers, and things like that. So to give people a good background basis of a learned skill, that'd be ideal.
In Winnipeg, Kurt Black, City News.